How to enable deep research in ChatGPT. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Now, tap the plus button next to the message box. This opens the available tools and features. Look for plugins and tap Deep Search. If you don't see Deep Research, don't worry. You can also type /Deep Research directly into the ChatGPT prompt to start a deep research task. Once Deep Research is selected, enter what you want ChatGPT to research. For example, you can type research the best AI video editing tools for beginners in 2026 and compare their features, pricing, and limitations. ChatGPT may create a research plan before starting. You can review and modify the plan before the research begins. You can also control which sources Deep Research uses, including the public web, uploaded files, and supported connected apps. Once you're ready, start the research and wait while ChatGPT analyzes the information. When it's finished, you'll receive a structured research report with citations or source links so you can check where the information came from. That's it. That's how you can enable and use Deep Research in ChatGPT. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ChatGPT and AI tutorials.